Morning, everybody. As you head out the door, we're looking at about 50 degrees in most inland areas. It's a little bit milder along the coast where it's 58, but it's also rather humid out there as the Gulf air is coming in. We got a south wind overnight. Of course, yesterday after the nice rain, it was a nice afternoon. This morning, we've got the beginnings of a mild day. Yes, we'll get up to about 70 degrees today. Tomorrow, everything changes. So that's what we're going to be talking about this morning. So 49 for us, and pretty much all of the state is still in the relatively mild weather. The cold stuff is just to the north. Now, in addition to the south wind, we got this moisture or this cloud mass that rolled over us at the upper elevations. This is part of the frontal system, the rain with it, and of course the sloppy kind of week that we've got ahead. The frontal system is now located in Nebraska. It'll be moving into North Texas this afternoon. Should be here sometime after midnight. Tomorrow morning when we get up, the temperatures are going to really be dropping dramatically. In fact, we're looking for a 30-degree drop in temperatures from a 72 to a 52 as high temperature. So you won't need the coat today, but hang it by the door. Make sure you know where it is because we're going to need them tomorrow morning and really for most of the rest of this week. So the bitter cold air has been obviously plaguing the Midwest over the last couple of days. Storm after storm has gone through. After a very slow start to winter, all of a sudden it's really gotten going. As a matter of fact, right about here is the next big blizzard that's blowing through there. Now, while we have gale warnings for tomorrow because of the wind shifting around, you can see all of this. This is winter weather advisories and ice right about here. So all kinds of problems from the Ohio Valley to the upper Midwest. So yes, for all the winter Texans, you made the right decision if you're up this early. There, the temperatures kind of go along with what I was saying. You can see the bitter cold dropping right about here where they get down into single digits to just above the Chicago area. It's mild down south, but this is the cold air that's going to be dropping into our region. Now, obviously, we're going to be cold, but you want to talk cold, how about minus 25 as a forecast high? Of course, that's up there in the Arctic Circle, but still, you know, how people live in that, I just don't know. Overcast is the situation for today. So not a lot of sun, but generally dry for those of you that need to be working outdoors. Overnight, we'll see not only the frontal system approach with a band of rain after midnight, but then tomorrow and on into Wednesday, we're going to see this big swath of Pacific moisture right up on top of that cool air. That puts us in an overcast, sloppy, sort of rainy kind of pattern that I like to call pea soup, okay? So here's your forecast. Looking for 72 today, but only 52 tomorrow, and then 56. Now, I don't expect us to get to freezing unless it clears out. But because of the overcast, it should keep us in the upper 30s, and then we're looking for damp and drizzly weather all the way through Saturday. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy.